Hello friends, I am Dr. Vijay Prakash and today I will be telling you how to do attachment for a ball attachment in an implant overdenture case. Now if you see this patient, you see the ball attachments there in place. There is two implants which are placed and over that I have placed the ball attachment. Now we have to fix the matrix part. Now this is the matrix part. Now we have to fix the matrix part into the denture. So I'll show you how to do that. So you have the matrix part which you can see here. These are the matrix part, and you see in the denture we have created a recess, a space for placing these. So now we'll show you how to place these matrix part on the ball attachment and then attach it with the overdenture. So you have the matrix part and you are going to just place it there over this. This is how you are going to do it. Now you are going to place the other part also similarly. Just press it in. The white portion which you see here is a spacer, that is a silicone spacer, which will not allow the acrylic to flow below the part, and the other portion is the matrix portion which is placed over the ball attachment. Now we are going to see the overdenture whether it fits over this or not. Before that, what you can do, you just apply maybe a white paste here, or you can do a marking of this so that the same is transferred onto the denture. So here I have placed the white paste over this, and now I am going to insert the denture and check. Dila chodo. So we are just going to take a mark over this. We are not going to do anything, and you are going to remove it and check the mark. If you see the areas where you have the matrix part, you have got an impression of that. Now I am going to make a recess so that it is able to accept the part. You're going to deepen this nicely, and similarly you're going to do it here. Once that you have created the recess, then you are going to again check it inside the patient mouth. Neera choda. It should fit nicely. Band karo. You should always check it with the upper denture and ask the patient for comfort. कहीं चुप तो नहीं रहा? ठीक है?
ठीक है.
हाँ. Open. Now what you are going to do? You are going to remove this and then seal this with your cold cure acrylic. Use pattern resin or simply an acrylic. You just place it in a flowable stage. To be fast. Don't add too much because then you have to grind that. Just add in the stage. Place it in the patient's mouth. मुँह खोलो जरा. आ करो. Ask the patient to bite. Bite करिए. बंद करो. Check the occlusion of the patient, check the VD, it should be fine, and ask the patient to bite and allow this material to polymerize the heat cure, the cold cure acrylic, and once it is polymerized, then you are going to again reassess it. So once you see that the self-cure acrylic is polymerized. You have to remove it carefully. You see it here. So excess of acrylic, wherever it is, you're going to remove that. This is all excess, you're going to remove that. At the same time, you're going to remove whatever has flown in. You have to remove it carefully. So I'll do the same right now. Also, you have to remove the spacer, the white silicone spacer which you are having in the beginning. You have to remove that and just polymerize. Carefully, very carefully you have to done this. So once you have removed the silicone spacer, then you will find it like this, and now you are going to insert it over the ball attachment. बंद करा. That's how the sound should be. Close. Normal जैसे खाते हैं वैसे. So you'll check for the comfort. You're going to check for the occlusion and the vertical dimension of the patient, and you're going to give instructions to the patient before you send the patient away. Thank you for watching the video.